Hello everybody, this is Val with This Is How You Do It, and I put some conditioner on my hair, and I'm finna deep condition my hair before I go to bed, and I'm gonna put a shower cap on it and cover it up for the night. And the conditioner I'm using on my hair is this conditioner here that I got from Walmart for $4 and some change. And I put some on my part right here, just a little bit like this, about like that, and I rubbed it on just this space right here, just to see how the conditioner is working in my hair. And when I was doing that, I said, let me turn the camera on so I can show the people just how much conditioner I'm saying put on your hair at night. Because I don't think sometimes when we tell people to put conditioner on their hair, that they realize just how much conditioner that's being talked about. Because my thing is, what I'm doing now for this deep conditioner, I'm not just deep conditioning my hair. I'm the conditioner, by sitting on it like that, changes the texture of your hair so you can have those spiral curls, and to loosen up those tight curls. That's what the conditioner does to my hair. And so I'm gonna do the greenhouse method. See that? That's all conditioner. I'm gonna do the greenhouse method with the conditioner. Now you can do it with just oil, you can do it with oil, water, and conditioner, or you can do it with conditioner. Some people call that a deep condition, but what I'm doing is I'm sleeping overnight like this. And this is how much conditioner you put on your hair when I cold wash too. Very heavy-handed. And I used to do this when I first got my big chop. My curls was fabulous because I used to do this every night. Deep condition. More than once a week. See that? It don't make your hair weak. It just relaxes the curl. That's all it does. It don't make it weak. I'm gonna turn around for you. See, the conditioner is just like a perm to black hair. This is like perming your hair with conditioner. It relaxes your curl, and then it gives you all those spirals. That's what the conditioner does to the hair. And I like the pump on this thing, because you see how I'm putting it in. The pump make it easier. Now I'm gonna put a wrap on this hair, shower cap, cover it up. Make sure I get all around my baby hair on my edges. See that? Make sure I get all around them edges. Just like a perm. And what you do in your perm, when you let your perm sit, you put it in a little ball and wrap it, and then you let it sit. See how that look? Make sure it get all on the ends of your hair once you get your perm all the way through. Or it's not a perm, it's conditioner. And the conditioner acts like a perm. See that? And we twirl that up so we can put it up under the bag. Get me these right here. I got one. If you don't have this, you get a grocery bag and cover your hair up. Well, I'm finna wipe my hands off so I can handle the scarf now. Here is my little stocking cap that I'm gonna put on it. And my hair is the heat from my brain is going to moisten my hair, heat it up, heat that conditioner up overnight. And if I want to get cuter, I can get me one of them little nice little scarves and tie on my head. But I'm gonna put a do-rag on top of this and tie it down tight. See? I have scarves, but I didn't go to the trouble of digging them out. Make sure I get my sideburns under there. Sometimes they have a tendency to try to slip out when you're trying to tie your stuff together. Pull this tight. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. Finna lay down. Not quite lay down. Finna watch some more videos, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye now.